Good morning, everybody. Hey, you like my clock? What time is it? 3 o'clock, right? So the hour hand's on the 3, the minute hand's on the 12, or it's going up to the top. What if I move it this way? What if I move this one down here, move this one down here? Now what time is it? 3:30. Because the hour hand's still in the 3 hour. It's not at the 4 yet, but it's getting there. And the minute hand is at the 6. Or in other words, half of the hour is over, okay? Let me try this one. $10:45. The hour hand's almost at the 11. It's getting really close to 11. And we're 15 minutes away from 11 o'clock, okay? All right, so sometimes there's more than one way to mention the time, and I like this lesson because this kind of reminds me of something my grandparents like to do. All right, so let me look at this clock here. So if a clock has 4 equal sections, or when the minute hand goes around, it's 1 hour, right? So if it goes this much, this is actually a quarter after, or quarter after an hour. So if it's 3:15, you could say it's quarter after 3, right? It's the same deal for over here, except it's not a quarter after. Now it's in 15 minutes. It will be the next hour. So over here, we're going to call these a quarter of, or quarter till, okay? What if the minute hand comes all the way down here? Well, that's half an hour, right? The hour's half over. So you could say that this is half past, right? So we had 10:45 a couple minutes ago. Well, in 15 minutes it will be 11 o'clock. So it's a quarter of 11. It's not 11 yet, but in 15 minutes it will be. It'll be a quarter of 11. If it was here, now it's a quarter of 2, because it's going to be 2. Now it's a quarter of 5. It's getting close to 5. We're 15 minutes away from 5. What would this be? Not a quarter of, but a quarter after 8 o'clock. So 15 minutes ago it was 8 o'clock. Now it's a quarter after. A quarter of the hour is over. What's that? Quarter after 9. And I'm going to move this up because a quarter after means the hour hand, it's a little past the 9. It's not halfway yet. It's not towards the 10. It's a little past the 9. So you could say it's 12:15, or you could say it's a quarter past 12, or a quarter after 12. What if I move this one down here? Now it's 12:30, or just half past 12. The hour's half over, so the hour's kind of in between the 12 and the 1. Let's try this. 4:30, or half past 4. So I always say, until it hits the next hour, use the one that it's still in. So it's still in the 4, but it's not going to be a 5 until it hits the 5. And then it's going to be a 5 all the way up until 5:59, right? All right, let me just do one more. What would this be? Regular time, 10:15. Other way to say it, or when I like to say grandpa time, quarter after 10. When I was a kid, my grandpa would say, oh, it's a quarter after, a quarter past, quarter till. I'd have no idea. But if you think about the clock as quarters, quarter after here, quarter of, or quarter till, half past, okay? Let me show you some of these. All right, so half past 6. It was 6 o'clock. 6 is half over, so it's 6:30, right? It's a quarter after 3. Quarter after 3, 15 minutes have gone past, 3:15, okay? 10 after 10. I think I have this. It was 10 minutes ago. It's 10 minutes past 10. 10:10. Quarter of 8. It's not 8:15. It's not 8 o'clock. It's going to be 8. So it's still in the 7 o'clock hour. But if it's quarter of, it means in 15 minutes it's going to be 8 o'clock. So it's only 7:45, okay? 5 past 9. I can make that one. All right, it's 9 o'clock. And then 5 minutes went past. 5 past 9. So we're just barely above the 9 by 5 minutes. So it's 9:05. Quarter of 7. It's going to be 7. Just 6:45. Half past 2. What do you got? It's kind of like the 6:30. The 2 o'clock hour is half over. We're down at the bottom, right? 2:30. Quarter before 5. 4:45. Or you could say quarter till. 10 after 8. 8:10. Quarter of 2 or quarter till 2. So it's not 2. It's still 1. 1:45. 10 past 9. You got the hang of this. 9:10. Quarter of 6. Think about that a second. There you go. 5:45. Quarter after 5. Wait a minute. Quarter after 5. Oh, 5:15. It was 5. 15 minutes have passed. It's 5:15. 10 of 9. Or you could say 10 till 9. Not 9 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. But in 10 minutes, so if I go backwards 10 minutes, it's 8:50. Okay, and quarter after 3. So it's still in 3 o'clock. 15 minutes has passed. It's 3:15. Okay? All right, you're going to do a few today. I'm going to have you guys do the other way. I give you the time. You got to come up with another way to say it. So 3:15. Let me make a 3:15 here. 3:15. Oh, this is going to be a tricky one. 3:15. So my hour's a little past the 3. I'm at 15 minutes. So I can say it's a quarter after 3. Quarter after 3. 8:30. We're halfway between 8 and 9. We're at the 30 minutes. It's half past 8. Do what you can here, guys. Try the area and perimeter. Here's a little hint when you get to area. Might want to chop that up right there, okay? And keep doing those conversions, okay? Show your work. Find a connector. Show me how you do the bottom so you can do the top too, okay? All right. Go do a little grandpa time, okay? And I'll catch you later.